Hey guys, welcome to my little space here on YouTube. In this video, you're going to learn how to back up your entire website, your WordPress website. This is very important step you need to take after building or after completing your website design. In case your website goes down overnight, what happens? You need a backup to restore. Without a backup, you can't restore. It will be very painful to build your website and wake up one day and everything is gone. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you at the end of the video how to restore this backup, because I will be destroying my website, okay, and then using the backup I have to restore. Okay, just remember to stick around to the end of the video. So what we are going to do is to log into our WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins, because we're going to install a plugin called all-in-one WP migration. So you click on add new, and here see this search plugin box, just type all in one, okay, and wait for it. So all in one, and wait for it. Scroll down, this is the plugin. I've installed it already, so just click on what? Activate. So you install and activate this plugin. Okay, so once you have that plugin activated, make sure to your left you see all in one WP migration. Click on export, okay, because we're going to export our website, we're going to download it. All right, so you click on export, and then you see this, just click on it and then click on file. All right, because we want to export it as a file which will come in a zip format, and then we'll later upload it or restore it. So click on file and wait for it. So depending on the size of your website, this may take some time, so you just exercise some patience here. All right, here we go. So this is the download page. Okay, all right, so it has archived all the files, your website, your entire website, into a downloadable file. So you click on download. Okay, so when you click on download, it will download it onto your, you can see that it's downloading. So wait for it to download, and then I'll show you how to restore using this file. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so I've downloaded the file successfully. I'm going to my downloads folder. All right, so here I have it on desktop. Okay, so we're going to upload this file. We're using this to restore our website. So the next thing I'm going to do is to destroy this website. It's a blogging website I'm setting up to make a tutorial video. Okay, so this is a blogging website I'm setting up to make a tutorial video. So I'll destroy this website, and we assume the website has a problem that cannot be fixed, and the only thing we will be doing to fix this is through a backup. Okay, and that's what we just did. We backed up our website. Our website has just run into issues. We're now going to restore the backup we have. Okay, so I'm going to destroy this website. Okay, so we can do that in several ways, either going through our cPanel to delete the whole WordPress completely. So okay, let's do that. So let me go to my login. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm doing now, let me show you. So I'm going to delete my WordPress installation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to my cPanel to delete my WordPress installation, everything, and with the help of the backup, I'll be able to get my website back using the backup. So this is the link to my website. Okay, this is it, learn.ensolo.tech. okay, so I'm going to destroy it, and then you can remove or uninstall. So uninstall, so click on uninstall. So database, everything including files will be lost. So I'll click on remove installation. All right, so everything is going to be gone. All right, now you wake up one day, visit your website, and boom, you are worried. There's no way you'll be able to get your files back. The only way you'll be able to do that is through backup. Okay, so we're going to install WordPress and then restore the backup. Okay, so how are we doing it? Just like you would do for installation. Let's say we're going to install WordPress, reinstall WordPress. All right, so we're going to reinstall WordPress. We're going to reinstall WordPress. Then you click on install here, install, choose the domain name that has the problem or your subdomain. Okay, don't worry of the settings, because after we restore it, everything will come back. So we're going to we are reinstalling WordPress. That's the blank installation of WordPress. All right, then let's log in. Let's log in. Let's wait for it. All right, we are back, but the website is empty. So you go to plugins and then go to add new. So we are going to install all-in-one WP migration plugin once again in order to restore our backup. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, the next thing after this is installing our all-in-one WP migration tool. And here is it. So this was the tool we used to back up the website, and in order to restore it, we need it. So that's what will enhance our restore process. So you click on install and wait for it. Depending on the speed of your web hosting and your internet connection, it may take some time, so just wait for it. And here we go. Click on activate and wait for it. All right, the plugin is activated successfully. To your right, you can see all-in-one WP migration, and this time what we need to do is to click on import. So in the first process, what we did was we clicked on export and we exported the whole website onto our device. This time, because we are restoring the whole website, we need to click on import. It is as simple as that. So hover on the all-in-one WP migration and then click on import. So click on import, wait for it. And here we go. Now you can drop your backup here to import. Where is your backup? We need to go to our download folder. Okay, in my case I have it on desktop, so you drag it and you drop it here. Okay, and you can see your file exceeded the maximum upload size for this site. Okay, so you can increase the maximum upload size, or you get the unlimited it's a plugin. Okay, so you can get this plugin because your file is huge. You need a certain plugin in order to do this task. All right, so let me show you how to do that one too. So basically there are two ways to go around this. Either you get their premium plan in order to do it, or you do it manually, and I think the manual way is even the best and the easiest. Okay, so when you click here, you're going to their premium plan to get the script, which is somehow costly. All right, so to go around this, you need to click here. Okay, so when you click here, it will show you step by step how to do it. Okay, all right, this is the easiest way, but you need to pay. The next option is going to your HT access file and then changing the upload max file size. Okay, this is the easiest. So after you copy or you click here, it will take you to this page, which is like a documentation page. Okay, so you copy this, you copy it, and then we go to cPanel. All right, we'll go to cPanel and then go to where your WordPress is installed, where you are doing these changes, where you're making the changes. In my case, this is the folder, that's learn.nsolotech, because when you look at the URL, you see that. Okay, and then we open this folder. We're looking for a file called HT access, which is this one, and we edit it, edit again. Now the code we copied, okay, the code we copied, this one, make sure you see here, gets above end WordPress, gets above that, paste it here, but we want to leave some space here, okay, to make room. So we paste it here. You can see upload max file size is 128. Now my file size is, let me take you there, and you see my file size is 106. So make sure you set something that is higher than your downloaded file, the file you want to use as a restore file. Okay, I hope I'm making sense. So here, just increase the number above or higher than your file. After that, just save the changes. Okay, just save the changes, and you can see that your file exceeds the maximum upload size. See, 2 MB. So that's what you need to do, and that problem will be solved. Okay, so we can close it and reload this page, and from 2 it is now 128 MB. Okay, so let's continue with the import process. So you click on import, file, show all, we're going to desktop, and this is the file. So just double click on it and wait for the import to get completed. After that, our website will come back online. All right, and that is it, guys. That is it. It is as simple as that. Okay.